Welcome to Gardening Wise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make carrot halwa, which is a very popular South Asian dessert or pudding and is usually made during winter times when we all have got good harvest of carrots. So let's put those carrots to some use. So you need 3 kilograms of carrots and you need to wash them and take the heads off and peel the carrots. Yes, that's the hardest part of making this halwa. You need to peel off all the carrots, which takes good amount of time. So while I'm peeling all these carrots, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now all the carrots have been peeled off and they are looking absolutely beautiful and shiny. I have taken my food processor out with grating attachment, and that's gonna make the other hardest part easy for us and really quick. So put all your carrots in this food processor one by one and it's gonna do the hard job for you. That's grating the carrots. Now you need a big pot or a pressure cooker. I'm using the pressure cooker, which will make the process easy and quick. So I'm putting all my grated carrots in this pressure cooker, and you can use the regular pot and you can cover the pot with lid, but it will take more time than the pressure cooker. Now you need 1 cup of water, and I have also cut the remaining parts of carrots which were not grated in the food processor in very small bits and have added those in this pot as well. And now I'm adding 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, and now you need to close the lid and set it on 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and I'm going to check on carrots. If you are cooking in a regular pot, it could take from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So you need to keep checking on the carrots so they don't burn at the bottom. So it smells nice. So you need to stir the carrots and check if they are nice and mushy. They look okay, but they have still got lots of water in there. So I'm going to give it a good stir and cover it again with a regular lid and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure they are nice and mushy and all the waters have been evaporated. So after 10 minutes they are looking really good. So at this stage you may wanna stir them for a couple of minutes to make sure all the water is gone. And now I'm going to add half kilogram of granulated white sugar. The sugar we have got here is not very sweet, but if you live somewhere where you have really sweet sugar, you may want to cut down on the amount. So try adding 200 grams and check on it. If you need to add more, you can always add more later on. So after adding the sugar, you need to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on high heat by continuously stirring it. And now I'm adding 1 cup of cooking oil. You can add any cooking oil which you like. Traditionally butter ghee is added in this kind of halwa, but that's gonna be too much calories, so I'm going to stay healthy. Now I am going to cover the pot again with lid and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to give it a good stir again to check whether it's burnt or not. It's looking good. So I'm going to cook it on a high flame for 5 to 10 minutes until all the water is dried. While I'm cooking the halwa, I have got an announcement for you. I am giving away a $10 Amazon gift card. To enter the competition, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment under one of my videos which you like, and share it on Facebook, and don't forget to tag Gardening Wise. So this competition is ending on 10th of January 2020 mid-noon, so be hurry. So it's been 10 minutes stirring this halwa and it's looking good. So I'm going to add nuts. I'm only adding raisins and chopped almonds, but you can add as many nuts as you want, walnuts, cashew nuts, pistachios, or coconut, as many as you want. So after adding the nuts, you need to give a good stir again. Now I am adding full fat milk powder. You need half kg of full fat milk powder. If you can't find the full fat milk powder, you can use low fat milk powder and add the cream in its place, double cream, which has high fat content. So basically, traditionally, you add the milk with the carrots and then let them simmer slowly for 2 to 3 hours until all the milk is dried and carrots are done. But to make this process quicker and easy, I have just done the carrots separately, and when they are all ready, I'm just adding the dried milk, which is giving it that milky appearance. So you need to add it slowly. You don't want to add a whole lot in it and then it will form lumps. So you need to add slowly and make sure you stir it well so it's all combined with the carrots. So that's give it that pudding texture. So that's all done. Now I'm adding 100 gram of buttery. You can add butter or buttery, whatever you like, to give it that buttery taste, which is the characteristics of traditional halwa. So traditionally you cook this halwa in all butter, but I have added oil. I'm just adding 100 gram of buttery to give it that butter taste. So basically it's all depending on your choice how many calories you want this in this halwa. So you can add all butter, you can add full fat milk, you can add cream in it. So it will enhance the taste, make it rich in taste, but it will enhance it in calories as well. So if you want to stay on healthy side, you may alternate the butter with oil, and you may alternate the full fat milk with low fat milk and add a little bit of cream in it. It's all up to your choice. So I have been stirring and cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes and the halwa is ready now. So as you can see, it's looking really good and smells heavenly. So I'm going to serve it in this small serving pudding cup. So it makes like 40 to 50 good servings. I have garnished it with more nuts and enjoy. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, as it helps me to make more videos and click on the bell button so you receive all the notifications. Your opinion matters to us, so please leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.